Everyone online is telling you the same thing right now. The World Cup is your shot to make thousands of dollars just by posting football videos on YouTube. And they're not wrong, but nobody is showing you the part that actually matters. How to make football videos that go viral every single time and pull in millions of views. Because posting random clips gets you nowhere. There's a specific framework behind the videos that actually blow up. And I know it, because I've spent years editing football videos and racked up millions of views doing it. I can spot exactly what makes one go viral and what gets it buried. So in this video, I'm handing you that exact viral framework and showing you how to make these videos from start to finish using AI. You won't write a single line of script, dig for clips, or touch the hard editing. Claude does about 90% of the work for you. Let me show you a video I made in just 20 minutes. That's almost entirely AI.
He's won everything in football except the one trophy he wants most. Cristiano Ronaldo is 41 years old. This is his 6th World Cup, a record no man has ever reached. He scored 143 international goals, more than any player in history.
Stick around till the end, because I'm breaking down the full step-by-step framework, and I'll drop the exact Claude prompts I use in a free doc below so you can copy the whole set. Let's jump in. Okay, so first, open Claude AI and copy this big full prompt. You will get this prompt in the description and in my Telegram community, so join it. Once you copy the prompt, go to Claude and paste it right here. After this, select the model. I am using Fable 5, which is the latest model, or you can use Opus 4.8. After this, set the effort to max and then click on Enter. Now Claude is going to analyze the prompt properly and give you the best results. Wait for a few moments because it will take some time. Claude is going to research all over the internet, and after that, give you the best result. Now Claude will give you the news and updates in real time about what kind of matches are upcoming. You can see that Claude analyzed all over the internet, did the research, and found out what the upcoming matches are and how you can make content from those matches. Now, down below, you can see there are two options. One of them is to make content about a match, and the other one is to make evergreen content. You can pick whatever you want. If you want to make content about the matches, you can pick the first one. If you want to make evergreen content, then you can pick the second one. I am going to pick the second one because evergreen content generates views for a long time. Now wait for a few seconds and Claude will give you the evergreen content results. Now here, Claude just gave us 8 different niches. You can see there are different niches. You just have to select one of them in which you want to make content. For example, if you want to make content about the players, you can select the first niche, or if you want to make content about fan facts, then you can select the second one. There is another one called World Cup News and another niche called World Cup Records. There are a lot of niches. Just select any one. I am going to pick the first one because these players are already famous and have a big fan following, so it will give me views. So I am just going to click on the select section and then I will wait a few moments because Claude is going to give us the next result. Now here you can see that Claude gave us 10 different video ideas about the players. The first one is about Messi. The second one is Ronaldo, and there are a lot of other video ideas. You can select any of them, so I am going to choose the second one. Why is Ronaldo still starting at 41? Because I am a Ronaldo fan. You just have to wait for a few moments. Now here you can see that Claude gave us the full video script. Claude even gave us the video hook, the body structure, and also the CTA, which will make people comment on your video. Also, Claude mentioned which voiceover you can use from the website called 11 Labs and even showed us the settings. And this is not the only thing that Claude gives us. Claude also gave us the video clip titles because we are not going to find the visuals manually. Claude gave us the video clip titles and also the video clips related to the script. For example, if this video script is talking about Ronaldo's 6th World Cup, then Claude has also given us the video links and the video clip titles, so we can find these clips on YouTube. You can see, if I click on this video and open it, I can see the video clip in which Ronaldo is scoring the goal. So that is it. That is how this prompt works. You do not have to find the video clips manually or do any other thing. You just have to download or record the clips from here. Or if you cannot find the clip, then just copy the video clip title, go to YouTube, and search the title, and you will get the video clip. Then you just have to record that specific part which the script is talking about, like this one, in which Ronaldo is scoring the goal. So I will do this thing fast, and we will move to the next step, which is generating the voiceover. To do the voiceover, search the website called 11 Labs and go to the text-to-speech feature. Claude mentioned to select the Atom voice, but you can find a lot of voices in the voice section. Select the one which fits you. For example, I am going to select the Atom voice and paste the script here. Cut these lines like body structure and all the other labels. You just have to paste only the script. After this, generate the voiceover and download it. Now we are going to move to the next step, which is editing. I already showed you how you are going to find the visuals, because Claude already gave us the video links and the video titles. You just have to record those visuals. So now let's move to the next step. That is the editing. Now open CapCut and import the clips that you have recorded or downloaded. After that, import the voiceover that you generated from 11 Labs and overlap it. Then cut the screen recording parts which match the voiceover. You have to cut the screen recording according to the voiceover, so it will match perfectly. As you can see, I am doing this. Do this thing for the full video. After that, watch the video one time to check if the voiceover is matching the visuals or not. Then generate the captions, and your video will be ready.
He's won everything in football except the one trophy he wants most. Cristiano Ronaldo is 41 years old. This is his 6th World Cup, a record no man has ever reached. He scored 143 international goals, more than any player in history.
Exactly what your final result is going to look like. The best part? This niche is still incredibly untapped. Hardly anyone is creating content around these players, which gives you a huge opportunity to stand out and go viral with videos just like this. Now, if you want to learn how I made my first $1,000 by simply copying successful YouTube content the right way, click on the video that's on your screen right now. I'll see you in the next one.